So all the Azande people and the people of Western Equatoria and the people of South Sudan, this is the king of Azande people. These are traditions of our people that all of us are proud of.
We are not here for anything apart from restoration of our culture and to empower our youth and the young people so that we can sell the diversified cultures of the South Sudanese people and the rich values of the Azande people here. We are not here for anything apart from restoration of our culture.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing awesome. I am doing great. I am in jubilation mode. I am in celebration mode. As Africa is in celebration mode, the world is in celebration mode because guys, exactly 9 days ago, the world witnessed the rise of a new era as one of South Sudan's oldest kingdoms, the Azande Kingdom, got reinstated after more than a century, guys, since the death of its last monarch, King Gbudue.
Ina mama na mokini planera. Ina mana mohodu moni. Ina mama na mokini rimboyo. Ina mana mohodu monia. Oh, ina mama na mokini rimboyo. Oh, ina mama na mokini bojiro. Ina mama na mokini senjora. Ina biro roko sanzaya. Ina mama na mokini rimboyo. Ina mama na mokini bojiro. Ina mama na mokini bojira. Niwene sungo kani sungo.
King Gbudue is really prominent in our history here as one of the most powerful kings that ever lived because until his very last breath, he resisted infiltration of his kingdom by the colonial masters. But unfortunately, on February 9th, 1905, King Gbudue was killed by British officers on patrol. But today, 117 years later, his great-grandson Atoroba Rikito Gbudue was installed as the new monarch of the Azande people.
I'm a traditional leader. My grandfather was a king of the Azande. He was a very powerful king. You see, we are coming from far as the people of South Sudan. Before the British could come, we have been ruled by our leaders. We have been able, the traditional leaders by then were able to control their people, to administer their people, to judge the cases according to their tradition. King Gbudue did not allow the foreign body to enter his kingdom. That is why he resisted the British, the Arabs. Then he was also attacked and arrested and taken to Demzibir, where he spent 2 years in prison. Then he was released to go back and then follow the policy of the British. When Gbudue was taken back to his kingdom, he did not respect the British policy. He continued resisting and fighting the British. So the British made a joint operation, the British, the Belgium, and the French, to come and attack gbudue. So that is how King Gbudue was defeated, because of a joint operation made by the foreign body.
And he died?
And he died.
What year was that?
He was killed in 1905.
And would you say since that time there has been no azande king?
Sure, because the British did not allow the issue of the kingdom to exist when the king was killed. And even the children, the princes, were not allowed to rule their people according to their tradition. Some princes who were very strong were arrested in 1927 and they were taken to Khartoum. They were killed in Khartoum.
You have all the right on behalf of the people of South Sudan and on behalf of our president that you are free to choose whose king you have with absolute freedom. These are traditions of our people that all of us are proud of. So the President Salva Kiir Mayardit says 1,000 congratulations to His Majesty King. He says he wishes His Majesty King Wilson Penny all the rule he would want to do with his people and all the successes in life. So all the Azande people and the people of Western Equatoria and the people of South Sudan, this is the king of Azande people. That is the message of
Ni wena sungo